Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Amy Wynn, also known as Dr. Rejuvenation on social media. Today we're going to be doing a Nefertiti neck lift. And so it's called a Nefertiti neck lift because it's named after Queen Nefertiti, which is a really famous Egyptian queen who was known for her beautiful jawline and beautiful neck. And so what it is that unfortunately as we age, we can kind of get these PLATYSMA bands, which basically can contract, and you really see these prominent neck bands as we get older. If you look at this particular diagram, you'll see that the PLATYSMA muscle actually extends from our lower jawline and attaches to our clavicle bone. And as we age, as I said before, you can actually get contracture of these bands where they become more prominent. And sometimes it might be more obvious or stronger pull on one side than the other. So when you look at the diagram of this lovely young woman, she has a more prominent PLATYSMA band on the right side compared to the left side. After 2 weeks of having Botox injected to relax that muscle, you can notice a significant difference. You can see how it's really relaxed that prominent band on her on the right side. And so the idea behind injecting small aliquots of Botox is we can relax those muscles to make it less defined. All right, so make that E for me. So I like to, oh, that's perfect. So I like to make my marks exactly along that muscle band here. And you kind of see how that PLATYSMA is muscle is much weaker on this side, but we'll address that as well. On average, Botox lasts for about 3 to 4 months, and then you just come in for repeat treatments after that. As long as you stay on top of it, you'll find that you may not need as much Botox each time. So Botox is a neurotoxin which relaxes the muscle, and we use it for fine lines and wrinkles. So more commonly, we know that we can inject Botox for our forehead for those fine lines and wrinkles, or for those angry 11s, or even our crow's feet. But one of the more unusual places where you can inject it is actually for PLATYSMA bands. It takes about 2 weeks for this Botox to kind of kick in. One more time. And relax. Good. You definitely want to go to someone who's experienced doing Botox to the PLATYSMA bands, because this is not straightforward, and you can weaken these muscles, where patients have difficulty swallowing if it's not done correctly. So we're following up with our patient. She's about 2 weeks out from injection of Botox for the PLATYSMA bands. So the PLATYSMA, remember, is a muscle that extends from the lower jaw down to the clavicle. She had significant banding here. You get these PLATYSMA bands as those muscles contract, which was really bothersome to her. But now, look, it's so softened. Huge difference for her. Have you noticed a difference?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Really great results. And so on average, Botox